Hi guys, today's tutorial will be taking you on how to download a YouTube video successfully into your mobile phone or your PC. And for you to download a YouTube video successfully into your mobile phone, you need to visit YouTube. You search for the video you want to download. Search for the video you want to download. For example, let's use this video, our wedding party. You click on the video, you click on the you click on the share button, then you click on the copy link for you to copy the link of the video. As you can see, we've copied the link to the video. Now we head to our browser. In your browser, you search for YouTube video downloader. There are so many YouTube video downloading sites. As you can see, there are lots of them, but today we'll be using the yt5s.com site. I prefer using the yt5s.com website most times because of how the quality of my video normally looks after downloading from it, and how fast the downloading speed used to be. So I'll advise you to use the yt5s.com website. Let's head up to the yt5s.com website and start our download immediately. Yes, I'm currently on the yt5s.com website. So for me to download the YouTube video, as you all know, I already have the YouTube video link. All I need to do here on the yt5s.com website is to paste the YouTube video link on the search box. After pasting, I hit the stats. Here comes the video. The next thing you need to do is to select the size of the video you would like to download. You can select the size. As you can see, there are so many size you would like to download. You select the size, then you click on get link to convert the video to the current size. As you can see, the video is converting. It has finished converting. So the last step is to hit the download, and your video will start downloading automatically into your mobile phone or your PC. And that's it for today on our YouTube video downloading tutorial. See you guys next time on our next tutorial.